crops, rotting in fields, restaurants cutting their hours, and the cost of your next home renovation, it's doubling. That's not a hypothetical. With Trump's latest immigration orders,
with valid visas,
he made immigration the centerpiece of his campaign.
There's the very foundation of our labor force is shifting, and you're going to feel it at the cash register. This isn't about politics. It's about economics. You might not realize it, but millions of undocumented immigrants make up the backbone of essential industries. The ones that grow your food, build your homes, and prepare your meals. And if those workers vanish overnight, we're left with one big question: do we have enough Americans willing to step in? Let's get specific. Drywallers make around $54,000. Farm laborers, just over $30,000. These aren't glamorous jobs. They're tough, physical, and often seasonal, but they're essential. Here's the breakdown by industry and the percentage of undocumented labor that keeps them running. Agriculture, over 50%. Construction, up to 30% in certain trades. Hospitality, 25 to 30% in hotel kitchens and housekeeping. Landscaping, over 20%. Meatpacking and food processing, nearly 40% in some regions. In states that passed strict laws like Alabama and Georgia, crops went unharvested. Food prices climbed, construction slowed, and employers couldn't fill the jobs even during high unemployment. Can Americans replace them? Yes and no. Theoretically, yes. But the reality is most citizens are not lining up to pick lettuce in 100-degree heat or gut chickens for $15 an hour. Wages could go up, but that means your grocery bill does too. The real cost, it's already showing up in your receipts. The question isn't just who's doing the work, it's what happens when they stop. If you care about your bottom line, whether you're a business owner, investor, or just trying to make ends meet, immigration policy isn't just politics, it's economics. This was just a surface level look at how labor markets are shifting. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the construction industry specifically and why the shortage of skilled labor could stall America's housing market. Just make sure you subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the curve, because your portfolio might depend on it.